Tabyo, baby, my sweet loving but sometimes may barungi. The first time I saw you, akala ko you are one of the member of F4. Your hairstyle, your small eyes, and your fashion style, very opa. Ikaw na ang pagpapala sa buhay ko. Ikaw na bigay sa akin ng Panginoon. Who would have thought that you will be my answered prayer?
Actually, meron akong piniper na notes galing sa Intercontinental pero lahat siya empty. Kanina pa po akong naiiyak kay Lord nung naglalakad po ako. And I bless the Lord, Athena, because kasama kita sa paglilingkod. And yun naman yung pinakamahalaga, that we are both together in the Christ-centered relationship. And kahit anong mangyari, nandito lang ako. Maraming salamat sa buhay mo. I really thank the Lord and bless God kasi binigay ka niya sa akin and binigay ka niya sa amin, sa mga magulang mo. Marami pa tayong pagdadaanan and patuloy lang tayong magmahalan, magsuportahan despite na lagi nga tayong nagtatalo, nag-aaway, pero ano lang yun, dumadaan lang. And I believe na mas mag-grow pa tayo. I love you so much. And patuloy nating mamahalin ng bawat isa.
Starting the marriage life from this day onwards, I promise to love you for who you are and for who you are yet to become. I promise to nurture your dreams and to help you reach them. I will look to you as a partner and a leader in our home, and as I look to Christ. I love you and I am excited to our new chapter of our life, baby.